Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 12 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Today I completed another short module in Team Treehouse about responsive design, and it covered the theory of responsive design as well as some more practice with breakpoints and an introduction to Flexbox. And after I was done with that module, I started creating all the project files for the Salon website that I'm creating for my cousin. I started adding the markup in the index.html file, breaking up the website into different sections, and I also added some very basic CSS just to give myself an idea of what the landing page is going to look like on a mobile display. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to keep learning on Team Treehouse about the Flexbox design in CSS, and I'm going to keep working on the Salon website. So I'll keep you guys updated with every step of the way, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Alright, take care.